Your Legacy Lake, 235 acres, is a rare opportunity to own your own private lake with everything you need for hunting and fishing. This property is a magnet for the outdoor enthusiast and a legacy in the making. Located less than 2 hours from North Dallas area in Oklahoma City with well-maintained county roads for access. The Upper Muddy Boggy Creek Watershed Lake, built in 1992, has been rated for 10 acres of surface water and is perfect for those who love to fish and canoe. The small, modern, self-contained cabin that can sleep 6 people has electricity, heating and air, rural water, and septic system. There is a storage container to secure all your equipment and supplies. The area is known for its deer, turkey, squirrels, rabbits, ducks, and geese. With 12 plus years of the same owner managing the property for mature deer, there are also tens of bird species for the bird watchers. With this amazing recreational property, you can fish, paddleboard, kayak, snorkel, hike, hunt, archery, shoot, explore nature, build forts, and create memories that will last a lifetime. Call today about your Legacy Lake, 235 acres.